I'm Stephanie, this is Neal, we're the Bourne family. We've been RVing full-time before, and we've decided that we're gonna do it again.
Because we're fools.
So if you like hiking, make sure to subscribe.
I would just say if you don't like hiking, still subscribe and don't do it.
Also, if you like food, we like food.
But if you don't like food, we don't eat all the time, so still subscribe. If you don't like RVing or you don't plan on going RVing, still watch. But we don't always RV. Sometimes, I guess we always RV.
Yeah, we do.
This season, we are getting ready to full-time RV again. And let me tell you, it hasn't been easy.
No! Well, that's bad. There was some mold in here.
We've had some amazing adventures.
Our channel is all about finding the humor in life and in RVing.
So make sure to subscribe to our channel.